Homeowners searching for window replacement Lakewood TX want solutions that improve comfort, curb appeal, and year-round efficiency. In the Lakewood neighborhood near White Rock Lake, home window replacement Lakewood TX is a smart upgrade for aging properties, remodeled residences, and new house windows Lakewood TX projects alike. Whether you need residential window replacement Lakewood TX for a classic East Dallas bungalow or premium replacement windows Lakewood Dallas for a larger custom home, the right products can reduce drafts, outside noise, and rising utility costs. Many families choose replacement windows in Lakewood Neighborhood TX to modernize living spaces while preserving the architectural character that makes Lakewood Dallas so desirable. Energy savings are one of the biggest reasons to invest in energy-efficient windows Lakewood TX. Lakewood TX Energy Star windows, insulated windows Lakewood TX, and high-efficiency home windows Lakewood Dallas Texas help regulate indoor temperatures through hot Texas summers and cooler winter fronts. If your home has single-pane or failing glass, double-pane window replacement Lakewood TX and Lakewood TX insulated glass window replacement can help reduce heat transfer and improve HVAC performance. Eco-friendly windows Lakewood TX also appeal to buyers who want long-term value, lower monthly energy expenses, and a more sustainable property in Lakewood Dallas, East Dallas, and neighborhoods around White Rock Lake, Dallas. Style matters just as much as performance when choosing custom windows Lakewood TX for a distinctive home. Lakewood TX custom window installers can match architectural details for casement window replacement Lakewood TX, sliding window replacement Lakewood TX, bay window replacement Lakewood TX, picture window replacement Lakewood TX, and double hung window replacement Lakewood Dallas Texas. Homeowners seeking Lakewood Dallas Bay and Bow window replacement often want expanded views, added natural light, and a dramatic focal point for living rooms or front elevations. From Lakewood TX modern replacement windows to Lakewood historic home window replacement, the right window contractor's Lakewood TX can tailor sizes, finishes, grids, and frame materials to your exact vision. Older homes often need more than basic glass work, especially when frames, seals, and hardware have deteriorated over time. Broken window replacement Lakewood TX, drafty window replacement Lakewood TX, and window frame replacement Lakewood TX address deeper problems that can lead to water intrusion, reduced insulation, and difficult operation. If your windows stick, rattle, or show fog between panes, an old window upgrade Lakewood TX may be overdue. Window glass replacement Lakewood TX is helpful for isolated damage, but full replacement window installation can be the better long-term solution for homes throughout South Lakewood window replacement Dallas Texas zones and nearby East Dallas corridors. Vinyl remains a popular option because vinyl window replacement Lakewood TX offers affordability, durability, and low maintenance in the Texas climate. Lakewood Dallas vinyl replacement windows resist warping, peeling, and frequent repainting, making them ideal for busy households and investment properties. Homeowners looking for affordable window replacement Lakewood TX often choose vinyl frames combined with insulated glass for excellent value. These products are available in multiple profiles, including sliding, double hung, and picture windows, allowing window installers Lakewood TX to complete full home upgrades without sacrificing appearance. For many residents, vinyl delivers a strong balance of function, aesthetics, and cost control. Professional installation makes the difference between a window that performs and one that creates ongoing issues. Experienced replacement window installation Lakewood TX teams measure carefully, remove old units safely, and seal each opening to help prevent air leaks and moisture problems. Window replacement. Lakewood TX experts understand the unique housing stock in East Dallas window replacement services areas, including historic homes, updated cottages, and larger luxury residences. A reliable window company serving Lakewood Dallas, Texas can also provide turnkey support from product selection to final cleanup. For homeowners comparing window replacement estimates Lakewood Dallas, Texas, labor quality, product warranty, and local expertise should carry as much weight as price. Properties near the lake and exposed streets may need extra protection from weather and seasonal storms. Storm window replacement. Lakewood TX and Lakewood TX hurricane impact windows add another layer of security, durability, and insulation for homes vulnerable to strong winds, debris, and fluctuating conditions. Window replacement around White Rock Lake, Dallas can require products designed to handle sunlight exposure, moisture, and shifting temperatures while maintaining appearance over time. For owners who want peace of mind, insulated glass, reinforced frames, and premium hardware are excellent upgrades. These options support both energy performance and home protection across Lakewood TX and surrounding Dallas communities. A customized remodel can transform both the exterior and interior feel of a home. Window remodel services. Lakewood TX are often chosen during kitchen renovations, room additions, and whole house modernization projects where new openings or upgraded sightlines are desired. Window replacement. Lakewood TX can include expanding a dining room with picture glass, improving ventilation through casement units, or adding bay windows to increase space and character. Lakewood TX turnkey window installation services help coordinate all phases efficiently, making it easier for homeowners to complete a seamless old window upgrade. Lakewood TX while improving natural light, style, and energy performance. Choosing the best windows replacement. Lakewood TX starts with identifying your home's priorities. Some homeowners prioritize sound reduction near busier Lakewood Dallas streets, while others want low-maintenance materials, premium aesthetics, or improved resale value. Window replacement near Lakewood Dallas, Texas is especially beneficial for homes with outdated aluminum frames, cracked panes, and worn seals that no longer support comfort. Lakewood TX neighborhood window experts can recommend the ideal combination of glass package, frame type, and operation style for each room. Whether you need residential window contractors for one elevation or a full property refresh, quality planning helps maximize results.